Hi, I'm Martina from the Customer Engagement team here at Glassdoor. Today, I'm excited to guide you through the Overview section of your profile. The Overview section is your chance to present key information about your company to candidates. It's where you provide essential details that give visitors a clear understanding of who you are. Keeping this section accurate and up to date is crucial for making a great first impression. Here's how to update your Overview section. Go to the Employer Center by hovering over Admin Tools and clicking on Employer Center. In the Employer Center, find the Employer Profile tile in your group of tiles. Here, we'll first take a look at Shared Company Info. Here's where you'll find your logo and your basic info. As mentioned, here you can update the basic information such as the total number of employees, headquarter location, and industry in the top section. You can also verify or edit the CEO information in the Company Leaders section. Note that changes here will be reviewed by our content team for accuracy. You can also add or update company locations in the Company Locations sections to show where you operate both domestically and globally. Keep it current. Although these details may not change often, it's a good idea to review and update this section quarterly or semi-annually to ensure accuracy. We hope you found this video helpful. For any questions or assistance with this feature or any others, feel free to reach out to support@glassdoor.com or contact your dedicated Glassdoor support team. Thank you for watching.